Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Tesla Cybertruck. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental geometric forms that define its unique silhouette. Pay close attention to the sharp angles and flat surfaces, as these are key to capturing its distinctive look. Remember to use a very light hand for your initial sketch, allowing for easy adjustments as you refine the proportions and overall shape. This foundational step is crucial for a successful drawing. Now, let's refine the details that make the Cybertruck instantly recognizable. Carefully draw the continuous light bar that spans both the front and rear of the vehicle. Next, focus on the prominent wheel wells and the substantial tires, giving them a solid, grounded appearance. Don't forget to accurately depict the unique triangular roofline and the integrated bed cover, which are central to its futuristic design.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. It's perfect for keeping your ride fresh, even if it's not a Cybertruck yet. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
To bring your Cybertruck drawing to life, we'll now add depth and texture. Begin by applying shading to emphasize the distinct flat panels and create a sense of three-dimensionality. Experiment with techniques like cross-hatching or smooth blending to simulate the metallic finish of the exoskeleton. Finally, use highlights on the sharp edges to truly showcase the Cybertruck's rugged, industrial aesthetic and make it pop off the page. As we near completion, take a moment to review your drawing for overall proportions and make any last-minute adjustments. A simple background, perhaps a horizon line or a subtle landscape, can significantly enhance your Cybertruck's presence. Once satisfied, carefully go over your outlines with a darker pencil or even ink to give your drawing a crisp, finished look. This step truly brings everything together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.